Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to build this rotating text using just HTML and CSS. So here we go. Let us first create a folder named rotating text. Let us open this on Visual Studio Code. And now let us create our HTML file and also our CSS file. Now let us give it title rotating text, and let us connect our CSS file. Style shape should have style.css. So inside the body, I'll create one div, give it a class container. Here I will give one heading h1. Here I'll write I am, comma. Now inside this heading, I will give again one div. Inside this div, there will be span, and I will give it a class inner text. And inside this div, I'll create one span. Here I will write UI designer, then break. Here I'll write front end developer, and full stack developer. So there will be 4 lines of text, that is UI UX designer, front end developer, back end developer, and full stack developer. Let me give it action here. Okay. So that's all HTML we need. Now let us give it a style. So for all, I'll give font family will be serif, and margin I'll give 0, and padding will be 0, and it will be for all elements. Now container, I will take container, this part, I will take this class and add some style here. I'll give it the height 100 VH. It will cover all of the screen. Display flex direction will be column. Justify content will be center. Align item will be center. So now we can check our code alongside the build. Now let us check if our code is working or not. Yeah, that's our UI look like. So now let us style it more. I will give h1 a style of font size 45 pixel, and now I will take this inner text and give it a style dot inner text. First of all, I will give it a border of 0 pixel, solid white. It's O, not O, it will be 0. Then I'll give it a height of 50 pixel. Line height will be, I'll give it 50 pixel only. And font size will be 45 pixel. Text on font uppercase, and other text will be on uppercase, and also I'll hide it. So now let's check how does it look. So here it is. So if you remove this overflow hidden and check, so its line height is 50 pixel, and it is coming out of the container. So when you put overflow hidden, so see, all this disappears. So this is the function of overflow hidden. Now let's move on to next. Now I will style inner text pen. Here, first of all, I will give position relative. Then I will give color crimson, and I will add animation, and give it a delay of 10 seconds. Is infinite. It will run infinitely. So now let us add this animation. So this keyframe here, keyframe animation. Then when it is 0%, then I will change nothing. And when it is 100%, yeah, then top will be 0. And when it will be 20%, top will be 0. And when it will be 25%, then top will be minus 50 pixel. And when it will be 45%, then top will be, I'll keep it minus 50, because till 45%, it will move minus 50 pixel up. Then 50 pixel at 50 pixel, sorry, 50%, I'll give top minus 100%, because it will move 2 layer up, 2 line of text up, sorry. Then after 50% at 70%, then top will be minus 100 pixel only. And when it will be 75, then top will be minus 150 pixel. And at 95%, top will be minus 150 pixel. So now let's check if it is working or not. Yeah, it's working perfectly. Now you can change the speed of the animation. You can make it 5 seconds per second, but I will leave it 10 seconds only. So that's all I had for you today. I hope you like it, and if you did, just like it. And if you want more videos like this, just subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.